Hi, I'm Zhou. I would like to introduce you today the result from my research. The new correction methods for non-orthogonality and amplitude mismatch of angle position sensor by using 1802 function. Rotor position sensors are widely used in our daily life, where the 1802 function is most applied. The 1802 function contains some systematic errors, such as offset errors, amplitude mismatch, and non-orthogonality. In order to increase the sensor accuracy, these errors must be compensated. The compensation methods today are either not accurate enough or too expensive for low-cost applications. Furthermore, they have to determine the non-orthogonality at first. The determination of non-orthogonality is often not only difficult, but also expensive. In this paper, an accurate method based on simple linear algebra is introduced. It can compensate the non-orthogonal error without the determination of non-orthogonality itself. Additionally, the properties of non-orthogonality and amplitude mismatch are almost identical based on observation. Therefore, principal component analysis can be used to develop a new correction method, which is accurate as the usual DFT method, but requires less energy consumption. I hope this method can help us to improve sensor applications.